Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Avail Lease templates for faster tenant onboarding. To enable Avail Lease templates for faster tenant onboarding, start by logging into your Avail account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the Templates section in the main menu. Click on Templates to open the Templates Management area. In the Templates section, you'll find an option labeled Lease Templates. Select Lease Templates to view existing templates or to create a new one. If you want to create a new lease template, click on the Create New Template button. You'll be directed to a form where you can customize the lease details. Fill in the required fields, such as property address, tenant name, and lease duration. Include any specific terms and conditions relevant to your property. Once you have customized the lease, review it for accuracy. After reviewing, click on the Save button to store your new lease template. If you prefer using an existing template, simply select it from the list. After selecting a template, make any necessary adjustments to fit your needs. Once adjustments are complete, click on Save Changes. To use the template for tenant onboarding, go back to the dashboard. Locate the Tenants section in the menu. Click on Add Tenant to start the onboarding process for your new tenant. Once in the tenant onboarding area, choose the Lease Template option. Select the lease template you created or modified earlier. Fill in the tenant's information and any additional required fields. After entering all the necessary information, review everything carefully. Finally, click on Send Lease to share it with your tenant for signing. Your tenant will receive the lease and can review it before signing. This process significantly speeds up tenant onboarding while ensuring all terms are covered. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.